Okay, so the parts are laid out here for issue 37 of the Valentino Rossi MotoGP bike. It's, what does it call it? Pipes, cables and exhaust flanges. So we've got these exhaust flanges. They're not identical, it does say that, but they are quite clearly marked with, that's R1. You know, it's got some quite good markings on them. I'll want to identify them. We've got some pipes that are not identical again. We've got some large diameter pipes, some short diameter pipes, one's a bit longer than the other, and some other, what does it call it, pipe fittings as well, which are also not identical. So it's going to be identifying these, assembling them, and then getting them onto the fitting onto the engine. So make sure I'm obviously getting everything the right way around, connected up correctly, but this will be the assembly and build for issue 37. Okay, so first thing we need is the right angled pipe fitting. It looks like that. Not quite right angled, is it? But it calls it the right angled one. And a straight one, which also looks like that. So these are the pipe fittings we need. These are going to be used for the short ones, the wider ones. So we've got the two wider pipes here. So these are wider diameter and they're also shorter, and these are just going to be fitted onto these pipe fittings. Okay, it does say that you've got to cut these to exactly 45 millimeters in length of pipe. So I've got a kind of, these cutting mats come with kind of an edge to them. So I'm going to cut them to exactly 45 mil. Okay, so they're exactly 45 mil cut to. It is saying for this that you might want to use a little bit of super glue for the next part. So we need the engine, and we need the right hand side, apparently, which has got the clutch on it. So it's got the clutch. So that side's obviously got the clutch fitted. That side's the side of the clutch. So that's the side that we need for this first pipe. I'm trying to identify where it needs to go. It's the right angled one, or almost right angled one. Okay, so there's a hole there. This is going to go into. It is a D-shaped pin. So obviously it's got a way it's going to go. And then it comes down onto that part. That's gone in very well actually. I don't think I need to glue that. It did say that you might want to use a little bit of glue, but that's in quite well. I don't think I need any glue for that at all. Okay, it kind of goes on, as you can see. There's that hole there and then to there. Then it says you turn the engine round or over, and this is obviously the other one we just built. Another angle hole there, D-shaped hole there. There's a pin just there that this is going to go into. Okay, and that's what that one looks like. That's from there to there. Once again, don't need glue really, they're on quite well. Okay. got these very small pipe fittings. Like that. 2 of these. And we've got some thinner diameter piping. And we've just got to put these onto these edges. Now I'm just trying to work out which way around we go. So we've got a pin there for in, and they've got a pin there it's going to go onto. Okay. Now I've got to cut one to 60mm and one to 70mm. Okay, so there's 2 holes just there. See those? The 60mm one goes on the one top, 70mm on the bottom. Okay, so I don't know if you can see that, just about 60mm one at the top, 70mm one at the bottom, glued those pipes in. I don't think they go onto anything at this point, so you're just putting them onto the engine really. Okay, so all we're fitting on this one is the ones that are marked R2 and L2. L2 and R2. L1, L2, L1, R2 aren't getting fitted. Now the exhaust manifolds themselves I've got internally marked, quite difficult to see probably, corresponding L2, R2 images, R2, L2. And all you've got to do is fit these on. So I've got R2 and it's got R2 written there. And it's just matching up the contours, I guess. Yeah, it'll only go on one way to match the contours, I think. Yes, it will. Yes. It does say you can put a spot of super glue on these if you want to. I'll see how they go on. There we go. So yeah, that's what they look like. Those exhaust flanges fitted and the pipes. You're going to keep the L1, R1 exhaust flanges for the now. They're not going to be fitted just yet. Okay, that was issue 37 done of the Valentino Rossi bike. Yeah, getting those flanges fitted and those pipes. Yeah, 38 is rear shock absorber. Oh, it's quite interesting. Yeah, we're going to be getting that fitted onto the. Oh, it goes onto the engine. So the rear shock absorber, yeah, getting that assembled and fitted onto the engine. That will be issue 38, and that'll be coming up soon.